In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is a simple and effective tool for organizing projects, tracking tasks, and keeping work moving forward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a plan, use a template if you want a faster setup, and then add and customize tasks so your plan is ready to use. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and click on Create a Plan. This is where you begin building a new workspace for your project or task list. At this point, you'll usually have two options. You can start from scratch if you want to build everything yourself from the ground up. This is a good choice if you need a completely custom setup and already know how you want your plan organized. The other option is to choose a template. Templates are helpful because they give you a ready-made structure, which can save time and make it easier to get started, especially if you're new to Planner or working on a common type of project. If you decide to use a template, browse through the available options and select the one that best matches your needs. Take a moment to look through the layout and categories so you can choose something that fits the kind of work you're planning to manage. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template. After that, you'll be able to change the name of the plan so it matches your project. Giving your plan a clear, specific name will make it easier to identify later, especially if you manage multiple plans. When the name looks right, click. Use template again to create the plan. Now that your plan is ready, you can start adding work to it. Click to add a new task. This is how you begin building out the individual action items that need to be completed. Enter the task name and the due date. Try to make task names clear and specific so anyone viewing the plan can immediately understand what needs to be done. Adding due dates is also important because it helps with scheduling and staying on track. After creating the task, open the newly created task to view more details. This is where Planner becomes more useful because you can add information that helps manage the task more effectively. Inside the task, you can adjust the status, set the priority, choose whether the task should repeat, and add notes. Status helps show progress. Priority helps highlight what matters most. Repeat is useful for recurring work, and notes give extra context or instructions. And that's the basic process for using Microsoft Planner. Once you're comfortable with these essentials, you can build plans more quickly and keep your tasks better organized from the start.